Hey, hello everyone. I'm going to show you this calamansi fruits, fresh. It's very popular here in Vietnam, and they call this one chang chua. Chang chua. Okay, so that is the name of calamansi fruits. Chang chua. Chua means sour.
Làm nước.
Sour. Or làm nước.
Rửa bát.
Okay. Rửa bát.
Rửa tay, rửa nồi niêu.
My grandmother, say hello. Okay. And then, alright. So, you're going to wash this first. And then after you wash it, you're going to put it here. You're going to boil the calamansi. I'll show you. Okay. So they put water inside this casserole. It's a big casserole. It's a big casserole. And then maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour. And if it boils already, they're going to put it here. And then they're going to blend it, smash it, blend. They're going to use the blender. And then after that, the final product, maybe they will let it cool, and then the final product will be like dishwashing liquid. The dishwashing liquid. So it's inside here already. Okay. Alright. It's my first time. It's my first time to know this. Okay, fresh. Calamansi.
What?
I'm showing them how to do a dishwashing, how to make a dishwashing liquid. Say hi, live! Alright, so we're going to eat now. Come. So this is how the Vietnamese prepare their food. Right? So there's a big circle tray on the table, and then we're using this one, small bowl, and chopsticks. Okay. You want to see your face? No. Okay. Say hi. Okay. So we're going to eat now. She's my boss, but she looks like my mother. Okay, now we're going to eat now. So we have fried eggs, and then this one is bamboo sprouts, I think, and then fish. And then we have boiled vegetables. And every day we have jackfruit. Okay, so delicious. Like the smell. Okay, that's all. And then after we eat, we're going to drink coffee. No, tea, right?
Tea,
Fresh green tea. Okay.
Very fresh and
I saw them how they prepare this one. Okay, so inside it's hot.
you like
A reporter? All right. Goodbye.